How to use heat transfer foil and adhesive using Cricut. Step 1. First upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Step 2. With the design selected, click on Combine and select Weld to make the design into one single layer. Step 3. Now go ahead and resize the design to fit into your shirt from the toolbar. Step 4. Once you're happy with the design, click on Make It Turn On Mirror in the Prepare screen, then click Continue. Step 5. Grab the adhesive, place it on the cutting mat shiny side down and burnish it using a scraper. Step 6. Go back to your computer and select Everyday Iron-On material. Step 7. Load the cutting mat onto the machine, then go ahead and press the C button when it starts flashing. Step 8. When it's cutting, turn on the heat press and set the temperature and timer. Step 9. Once it's done cutting, unload the mat, flip it over and peel the mat away from the material. Step 10. Cut out the design from the excess vinyl. Step 11. Place the heat press mat on the surface and heat it using the easy press. Step 12. Next, grab your adhesive, lay it on top of the heat press mat and let it get warmed up. Step 13. Get your weeding tool and start weeding out the design. Step 14. Now place the shirt on top of the heat press mat, then preheat it using the easy press to wick away any moisture. Step 15. Fold the shirt in half and press it again to create a crease. Step 16. Place the shirt, grab the adhesive and fold it in the middle with the sticky sides facing outwards and leave a crease on the plastic part. Step 17. Line it up with the crease in the middle of the shirt and smooth it down. Step 18. Next, place a cover sheet on top of the design, grab the easy press and press it for 5 seconds. Step 19. Remove the cover sheet and peel off the carrier sheet from the design. Step 20. Next, grab the heat transfer foil, trim off a piece and place it on the design. Step 21. Repeat the same steps and cover the rest of the design with different colored heat transfer foil. Step 22. Grab the cover sheet again and place it on top of the foil, then press it using the easy press with a good amount of pressure for 15 seconds. Step 23. Move it around a little bit to make sure that you've covered everything. Step 24. Once done, pull off the cover sheet, remove the easy press mat and let the shirt cool down. Step 25. When you're done, peel off the heat transfer foil. Step 26. Your shirt is done, but do not wear or wash it for 48 hours. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.